You know exactly what I'm talking about. You've had a ridiculously long, exhausting day. Your brain is fried, your body aches, and you've been looking forward to your bed since 2 p.m. You finally finish all your tasks, you turn off the lights, you pull the covers up, and you lie down. But instead of just closing your eyes and drifting off, you do what almost all of us do. You grab your phone. You tell yourself, I'm just going to scroll for 5 minutes to unwind. Just one video to shut my brain off. So you open up YouTube. You watch a quick video. Then you check a few shorts. Suddenly, you're deep down a rabbit hole learning about how black holes work, or watching a guy build a swimming pool out of mud in the middle of the jungle. You blink. Your eyes are starting to feel a little dry. You glance up at the time at the top of your screen, and your heart drops. Boom. It is 3 a.m. Panic sets in. You do the quick mental math that we all do, the sleep countdown. Okay, if I fall asleep right this exact second, I can still get exactly 4 hours and 22 minutes of sleep. You finally force yourself to put the phone down, but now your mind is racing. You eventually pass out, only to be brutally awakened by your alarm what feels like 5 minutes later. You wake up with your eyes burning, your brain completely fogged over, and a heavy, dragging feeling in your limbs. You stumble out of bed, look in the mirror, and say the exact same lie you tell yourself every single morning. I am definitely going to sleep early tonight. But let's be honest, tomorrow never comes. The cycle repeats. Yet, while you are out here fighting for your life off 6 hours of terrible sleep, there is always that one person. We all know them. Maybe it's that one friend who always has endless energy, or that one entrepreneur you follow, or that superhuman productivity guru on YouTube who confidently looks into the camera and says, I only sleep 5 hours a night and I feel absolutely amazing. I'm crushing my goals, hitting the gym, and scaling my business. And you're sitting there, sipping your third cup of coffee, feeling like a zombie, just thinking, bro, how? Are you an alien? Are you genetically modified? Or are you just lying? Well, guess what? Most of them aren't lying, and they aren't genetic mutants either. Today, we are going to completely unpack and understand the actual science behind how some people can sleep significantly fewer hours than the rest of us, yet still wake up feeling incredibly fresh, mentally sharp, and fully charged for the day. We are going to learn how to hack your sleep, but we are going to do it the right way. We are not here to destroy your health or promote toxic hustle culture where you burn yourself out. We are here to optimize the machine that is your body. Welcome to the science of real rest. To get this right, we need to completely shatter the biggest lie you've been told about sleep since you were a kid. Here is the first fundamental truth you need to accept. It is not about how long you sleep. Duration is a trap. It's a vanity metric. You can be in bed with your eyes closed for 9 or even 10 hours and still wake up feeling like you got hit by a truck. Why? Because the magic of sleep isn't about the total time on the clock. It's about how efficiently your brain moves through its necessary sleep cycles. Think of your brain like a high-performance smartphone. If you plug it into a cheap, broken charger, you can leave it plugged in for 12 hours and it might only charge to 40%. But if you plug it into a fast charger with a clean power source, you can hit 100% in a fraction of the time. Your sleep works the exact same way. Let's break down what actually happens when you close your eyes, because your brain doesn't just shut off. It goes to work. Every single night, your brain goes through a highly structured roller coaster of sleep stages, moving through a complete cycle roughly every 90 minutes. It starts with light sleep. This is the transition phase. Your heart rate slows down, your core body temperature drops, and your brain waves start to shift gears. It's the shallow end of the pool. Then you drop into the most crucial phase for your physical body, deep sleep. This is the holy grail of physical recovery. During deep sleep, your brain waves slow down to these massive rolling delta waves. Your blood pressure drops and your breathing becomes deep and rhythmic. This is when your body opens the pharmacy. It releases human growth hormone, HGH. It repairs torn muscle tissues from your workout. It fights off inflammation. It fortifies your immune system so you don't get sick. It recharges your cellular energy stores. If you are an athlete, a lifter, or just someone who wants to feel physically strong and avoid aging terribly, deep sleep is your best friend. But the cycle isn't over. After deep sleep, your brain rides the elevator all the way back up to the surface and enters REM sleep, rapid eye movement. If deep sleep is for the body, REM sleep is strictly for the brain. This is when your brain is highly active, almost as active as when you are awake. Your eyes are darting back and forth under your eyelids, and you are dreaming vividly. But more importantly, this is when your brain does the cognitive housekeeping. It processes all the emotional stress of the day. It takes everything you learned and shifts it from short-term memory to long-term storage. It clears out the mental fog, boosts your focus, and connects random ideas to spark creativity. If you want to be sharp, articulate, and mentally dominant at work or school, you need REM sleep. Here is the secret. When your 90-minute sleep cycles are clean, uninterrupted, and perfectly aligned, your body and brain get the full, comprehensive recovery they need. If you have incredibly high sleep efficiency, you can actually move through these cycles perfectly and wake up completely restored in just 5.5 to 6 hours. You get the fast charge. But here is the dark side. If your sleep environment is chaotic, if you are exposing your eyes to harsh blue light from your phone right up until the moment you close them, if your bloodstream is flooded with cortisol from stress or lingering caffeine from that afternoon energy drink, your sleep becomes fragmented. Your brain constantly gets kicked out of deep sleep and REM sleep. It keeps getting pushed back into light sleep. You end up experiencing what scientists call junk sleep. You could technically be unconscious in your bed for 9 solid hours, but if that sleep was shallow and fragmented, you missed out on the delta waves. You missed out on the REM cycles. And that is exactly why you can sleep for almost half the day and still wake up feeling absolutely dead to the world, dragging your feet, and reaching for an energy drink by 10 a.m. So the ultimate paradigm shift for you today is this. Our goal is no longer about trying to force ourselves to spend more time lying in bed. It's not about agonizing over getting a perfect 8 hours. Our goal is strictly about increasing the density of our sleep. We want more deep sleep and more REM sleep packed into every single hour we are asleep. We want to upgrade from that broken cheap charger to the ultimate fast charger. And to do that, we need a system. We need the efficient sleep formula. This is where science meets daily practice. We are going to dive deep into the exact step-by-step protocols you need to implement to completely biohack your rest. We are going to cover everything from how you time your cycles to the exact routine you need before your head hits the pillow, to the crucial mistakes you are making first thing in the morning that are ruining your energy for the rest of the day. By the time we are done, your 5 to 6 hours of sleep are going to feel infinitely better, more restorative, and more powerful than the 8 or 9 hours of junk sleep you've been getting your entire life. Are you ready to fix this once and for all? Let's get into the mechanics of elite recovery.